Definitely by showcasing our historical landmark and story as a city of Manila.
Was kay Miss Joy po. What can fans expect po dito po sa Sparkle Run? And kumbaga, ano po yung experience na pwede na lang bitbitin po dito sa Sparkle Run? Of course, with their favorite artists as well.
Thank you so much. So, like I mentioned earlier, yung mga artists natin, we have like 300 artists or more. But hopefully, baka hindi naman tayo na lahat, but more than half of that. So I'm confident 200, maybe 200 or more artists will join us for the run. As early as maybe next week, we'll open the registration already. So yung mga fans and runners alike can go to the site and then register already. So, meron yata doon, Rio will share some of the details later. Kung kaninong team sila, I think we will do that now. Kanyari, Team Mikey, Team Ira, Team Christopher, Team Roy. So, we can have an idea already kung sino yung mga gusto nilang makasama na artista for that run. So, it's a great experience kasi united kumbaga. Kaya nga sinasabi namin na ito yung run for unity, run for kindness also. Kasi nga, magkakasama na this time yung artista at saka yung runner. So, that and a lot more.
We're looking forward to this, Miss Joy. Thank you so much po.
Next, that's Carissa of Manila Bulletin. Miss Carissa.
Good afternoon po. I'm Carissa po from Manila Bulletin. First of all, congratulations on this partnership. So my question po is for our mayor. So for you po, how do you think this event po will help Manila's tourism?
Well, definitely by showcasing our historical landmark and story as a city of Manila. And I've been saying this so many times since I assumed July 1. You know, Manila is an old city. Comparatively, when you see better designed building in a modern way, you'll find it in Taguig, you'll find it in Quezon City, you'll find it in Ortigas or Pasig. But they don't have the soul. With this, the runners, the actors, sparkle artists, and those who will participate, yung mga fans nila, at yung aming, they'll see the story and the soul of the city. And this is a very good experience and opening to widen the knowledge and information. Ay, buhay pa pala itong lugar na ito. Ay, ito pala yung lugar na ito ngayon. Because this is not just an effort of the city maintaining historical sites. While we are the local government unit, it is under our jurisdiction, geographically speaking. But there are also agencies that we give credit to national agencies like Intramuros Administration, National Museum, National Parks, and so on and so on. So, maganda tong opportunity to remind, refresh, or even open new minds like the new generation on who we are, where we came from, as like what you are seeing right now above you, of what is Manila and what is Manila to the Philippines. So kaya napakaking bagay nito, as you heard me about a few minutes ago saying we are very grateful to GMA 7 Kapuso for entrusting us, partnering us, doing this event in the city of napakalaking bagay nito sa lokal na turismo at sa mga turismo sa banyagang turismo na ma-showcase ito in a prime television, in a prime news, ng libre, wala kaming tosgas. Of course, with Manila Bulletin helping us. Thank you.
Thank you po and congratulations.
Thank you. And finally, that's cast of Lionheart TV.
Hello po, good afternoon and congratulations po. This is for Coach Leo. What can we expect from the Sparkle Run that is unique and special from the previous run you've organized?
Thank you for the question. Siguro bago ko sagutin, i-echo ko lang yung nabanggit ni Mayor kasi marami po kaming bases dito sa Manila. And isa po sa comments ng mga runners namin ay isa po ang Manila sa paborito nilang daanan dahil po yun sa historical. Kaya po, paborito din po namin. Kaya gusto ko lang din pong iparating na yung support po nung ating kasama dito ay 100% po kami every time na nag-organize kami. And kaya po nabanggit ko yun kasi napakahalaga po nito sa amin na ma-satisfy natin yung safety and security. So ano po ba yung pinagkaiba nito? Of course, number one, sino po ba, ito po yung race na meron tayong 200 na nakikita lang natin sa TV na makakasabay nilang tumakbo. So bibihira po yun. And for me, napakahalaga nito kasi yung mga artista na nakikita nila sa TV na iniidolo ng mga runners natin, mas mamomotivate pa silang tumakbo. Siguro yung mga first time, ito siguro yung first time na tatakbuhan nila, na nag-hope ako na hindi ito yung first and last. Pero maganda na starter ito dahil sa pag-inspire ng mga kasamahan natin. Ano? Meron kaming inaayos pa, no? Hindi pa lang planchado, pero may mga entertainment din tayo na gagawin. And of course, i-showcase natin yung mga heritage at saka mga magagandang lugar dito sa Manila with the help of our city of Manila. So makakaasa kayo from our end na from start to finish, we will be focusing on the safety and of course good experience of our runners. So hoping na ma-sold out natin agad ng maaga para if ever meron tayong demand, pwede pa natin i-increase ng kaunti. Ayun po.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you. Okay, so that's a wrap for the questions. Once again, round of applause